Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Coming to Nifty chart, today Nifty has opened near all-time high, and we can see due to selling pressure, we can see a bearish movement in Nifty, and it has fallen almost 160 points and closed in negative. Coming to Bank Nifty, again Bank Nifty also opened gap up, and again we can see due to selling pressure, again Bank Nifty has given a bearish movement and closed in negative. The reason for fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty is due to heavyweight index stocks like Reliance, Axis and ICICI has fallen more than 1% today. Coming to tomorrow level, Nifty, if Nifty opens gap up, our immediate resistance will be 18,880 levels. If Nifty opens gap down, our immediate support will be 18,660 level. Coming to Bank Nifty, again Bank Nifty, if tomorrow if it opens gap up, our first resistance will be 44,000. Again if it opens gap down, our immediate support will be 43,300 levels. Coming to stock, we have JSW with a good breakout. We can see a resistance over here. Previously it has taken a resistance and given a fall, and again here you can see a fall, and for tomorrow it has to break this level and we can see up movement in JSW further. And again one more stock, we have HDFC with a good breakout level. Previously we have a resistance over here, and here we can see a fall. This was acting as a major resistance previously, and today we can see it has broken previous level, previous swing high. So again, if tomorrow it breaks today's high, we can expect further moment in HDFC Life. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.